Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we will going to design a simple plastic basket. In this video I will show you how to create this basket. I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's start this video. So first I have to need a select a part and then go OK. Select this dimension millimeter mmgs and select plain white. Okay, now go to setting, image quality high, select and then go OK. Yes, now I have to select first top plane and go to sketches. Okay, select a circle and go to smart dimension. Select this dimension 200 millimeter. Okay, now go to feature and extrude boss command. Here I have to need distance 300 millimeter, height. Okay, enter. Okay, then I have to use draft command. Okay, here select inside, but I have to need outside draft. Draft outside and select degree 9 degree. Select 9. Okay, show preview. So go to OK. Okay, our body is complete now. Now I have to use shell command. Select thickness 3 or 4 millimeter. Then select this face, shelling face, select and go show preview and go to OK. Okay, this shell is complete. Now I have to select front plane and go to sketches, normal to, select a center line. This line is create actually, here I will create a plane. Okay, select. Again I have to select. Okay, real view geometry off now. Now select plane. I have to use reference geometry and plane. First go to reference geometry and select plane. And here first reference and second reference. First reference front plane, select, and second reference, scroll down, second reference, this center line. Okay, select this line. Okay, our plane is complete now. Then go OK. Okay, go to sketches and normal to. Okay, now create a sketch, this plane. Okay, normal to, but I have to need vertical, this sketch. Okay, vertical. Now select a center line. Select a center line. This point and this point coincident, make center point and this line coincident. Now go to ellipse. So select center point and here one click, here and another click here. Okay, here is 2 radius or 2. Select smart dimension, this line and this line, between this line angle 60 degree. Okay, now select relation, select this point and press Ctrl this point, select and make coincident. Okay, now I have to need dimension this ellipse, 2 dimension here needs, select first point and second point, again select first point and second point, so select 20 millimeter. Again select this line and this line, here diameter 30 millimeter. Here need 2 diameter, like 1 2 and 1 30. Okay, select, then go smart dimension again, select this point and this center point. Okay, select 25 millimeter. Now our sketch is fully defined. Okay, now go to feature and go extrude cut command. Okay, I have to need some distance 10 millimeter because our plastic body is 4 millimeter. So select OK. Okay, now hide this plane. Okay, now I have to use linear pattern command. So direction, first select direction, this line. Okay, then select feature, this cut extrude feature. Here select number of quantity and select direction and select between 2 ellipse distance. Okay, between 2 ellipse distance 30 and change this direction upper side and select number of ellipse, create 9, select 9 and then go OK. Okay, complete this. Again use circular pattern command. So first select this circular path. Okay, select circular path and here select upper side circular edge, select this edge. Okay, here I have to use number of 20 ellipse, this circular path. Here use number of 20, select and equal space. Okay, show preview. Okay, equal space, then go OK. Okay, our total hole is complete now. Then hide this line. Okay, hide. And I have to need fillet command for removing this sharp edge. Okay, fillet and select this point and select this radius 1 millimeter, select, enter. Okay, select another edge, select first option. If we select first option, so automatically select all of this is automatically select. Show preview now. Otherwise you will select manually, but time is spent. So all of this will select. So go OK. All of this corner point is filled complete now. sharp edge is removed. So now go another fillet command. Here select this radius 5 mm or 4 mm. Okay, select OK. Okay, now our basket is almost complete, but I have to need some sketches again. Here select this face and go to sketches. Okay, normal to. Here select this edge and convert entities. Okay, convert entities. Okay, then use offset command. Select offset, then select offset line, this line, select and offset 10 mm, selected. Okay, go to OK. Okay, our two circle is complete. Here I have to need extrude boss command again. Go to feature and extrude boss. Okay, this extrude boss, select 4 mm, this thickness. Okay, now go OK. Okay, our corner is ready. Now I have to use fillet. Select this face. Okay, select automatically to side. To sharp edge is automatically selected. So go OK. Oh yes. Select yes. Okay. Now I have to go another sketch. This lower side. Okay, this lower side I have to click here and select sketches. Normal to. Select this edge and convert entity. Again select offset command and select this point. Offset inner side, reverse direction, and distance select 4 mm. Okay, now select OK. Okay, again use feature and extrude boss command. Go to feature and use extrude boss command. Okay, extrude boss 10 mm. Okay, select OK. Okay, select this line and offset command use offset. Okay, reverse direction. Okay, select this distance and go to OK. Select this line and again go offset command. Okay, reverse direction select and go to OK. Okay, now go to feature and extrude boss. Okay, select OK. Okay, nice. Now I have to use front plane and normal to. Here select this for showing this line, hidden line. So first select a line. Here create this case for strong this corner point. If I select this portion, so this plastic is strong now. Okay, select midpoint. Okay, I select midpoint. This is select. Okay, so here show. So this is very strong now. So you use circular pattern and select this extrude. Okay, first select this circle. Select this circle. Okay, automatically select. So go to OK. Okay, now our basket is totally ready, 100% ready. So I have to use some appearance. Here select body, select this body, whole body. Okay, now select color. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more update. Don't forget, share this video